In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit money on Metatrader 5. Before we dive in, here's the key idea that trips a lot of people up. You don't deposit money directly into Metatrader 5. MT5 is the trading platform where you analyze charts and place trades, but the actual funding happens through your broker. Think of MT5 as the cockpit and your broker as the airline. The cockpit doesn't hold the fuel, the airline does. So the process is about making sure your trading account is correctly logged in on MT5 and then funding that account through your broker's website. Start by opening your Metatrader 5 platform. If you're on desktop, launch the application as you normally would. If you're on mobile, open the app on your device. We're going to confirm that your trading account is connected properly so that when you fund it through the broker, the balance will show up in MT5. Inside MT5, look for the section called Accounts. On desktop, you'll typically find this in the Navigator panel. If it's hidden, you can reveal the Navigator from the View menu, but in most setups it appears on the left side by default. Click on Accounts to expand it so you can see the accounts you've added to the platform. Now right-click on Accounts to bring up the context menu. If you're on a trackpad or a device without a right-click, use the alternative context menu gesture for your system. From that menu, choose Login to Trade Account. This is how you tell MT5 which account to connect to so it can display your balances, positions, and symbols exactly as your broker provides them. A login window will appear. Here, carefully check your login, your password, and especially the server. These details come from your broker, and they must match exactly. The login is usually a numeric account ID. The password is the one you set or were given by the broker for trading access. And the server name must be the correct one for your specific account type, such as live or demo. If you have multiple servers listed, select the one that matches the details your broker provided. Entering the wrong server is a common reason balances don't show up or you can't place trades. Take a moment to double check spelling, capitalization, and any numbers. Keep these credentials private and never share them in chats or screenshots. Once you've verified the login, password, and server, and you're successfully connected, your account should appear with a connection status and you'll see the symbols in your balance panel populate. At this point, you're ready for the funding step, which happens outside of MT5. Open your broker's official website in a secure browser and log into your client portal. Every broker labels things slightly differently, but you're looking for the deposits or funds section. This is where you initiate a transfer of money into your trading account. Make sure you're selecting the correct account if you have more than one. Some brokers also let you choose the account currency or specify an internal transfer if you're moving funds between accounts under the same profile. Inside the Deposits tab, follow your broker's on-screen process to deposit there. You'll typically choose a payment method, enter the amount, and confirm. Processing times can vary depending on the method. Cards and some wallets may be quick, while bank transfers can take longer. Be aware of any fees, minimums, and the base currency to avoid unnecessary conversion costs. If the broker requires additional verification, such as identity checks or payment method validation, complete those steps in their portal. When the deposit is approved, the funds are credited to your trading account on the broker side and then reflected in MT5 because you're already logged into that same account and server. If you don't see the new balance immediately in MT5, give it a moment, then refresh the connection by switching accounts and back again, or restarting the platform. As a final tip, always fund responsibly and confirm you're on the correct broker site using secure connections. With this workflow, you'll know exactly where to log in, where to fund, and how to see it in Metatrader 5.